Hey guys, it's basically 12:30 Central right now, and Jerome Powell is about to speak. Momentarily, I've got CNBC on in the background, so I'm simultaneously listening. Now, look at that! Wow, it's like he hasn't even took the mic yet, and the battle has already started. Look at that. Here's the 5 minute on the VIX going down like hard, and TQQQ is going straight up. I wonder. Rates have to rise to sufficient restrictive level. I'm just listening to CNBC right now, real time. I don't know if you can hear it in the background or not. Uh, wow. I'm just showing you guys what's going on real time right now. Since I can't do live stream, I'll replay this back to you um, uh, in the evening after the markets close. So CNBC right now is just one of the commentators. I'm not seeing Powell actually speak. I thought they were going to televise that. But look at that. I mean, just look at what the markets are doing when I don't even see Powell speaking yet. See that? Powell needs substantially more evidence to give comfort. Inflation is declining. Path ahead for inflation remains highly uncertain. I'm just reading what CNBC is showing on the screen. That's all. Reading that out loud. Since you obviously wouldn't be able to read my mind there. Powell, goods prices should exert down to continue well into next year. Housing inflation will continue well into next year. This is Powell. Here we go. Now Powell's speaking. Oh boy. VIX is making a comeback. Long way to go to restore price stability. I'm just reading what's on the screen from Powell. Okay, so I'm watching this wick. I'm watching the downward selling pressure, and I'm watching this wick down here as upward pressure. See what I mean? So, Powell is speaking. He is acknowledging that the full effects of the tightening has yet to be felt. Makes sense to moderate pace of rate increases. So he's saying that right now. Interesting. Powell says that the inflation forecast, in his words, broadly show significant decline over the next year. He just said that. So now he's saying move the forecast aside, go to the actual data. Okay, he's talking about restrictive levels. We already heard that before. And he talks about cautions strongly against prematurely loosening policy. We've heard that before. Oh, come on. So just keep in mind, this happened last time too. Let me see if I could pull this up. This happened last time too. The markets were ahead, but then VIX regained its footing and markets collapsed. This happened last time. Yeah, honestly, the key here, guys, is the back test. Not right now. Not the rise. I'm trying to listen to him simultaneously while talking to you guys. Listening to it on in the background. Yeah. This is not a time to be going long. You have to wait for the back test. VIX must and will respond. It's going to come up. The question is, how far down does the back test go? Can TQQ in this instance hold its EMA 50 line right here, the red line? If it can on the back test, oh, that's it. Rally's on. But if it can't, that's it. It's over. It's over. We're going lower. It's really that straightforward. Interesting. He's talking about utilities right now. I'm listening to him again. Interesting. He's talking about supply chain easing. Yeah, October inflation, a welcome surprise to the downside. That's what Powell said. Well, yeah, it was. Dow went up like 1,000 points that day. Down months on inflation, often followed by renewed increases. Right, so Powell is saying down months in inflation, like last month, was down big time, right, for October CPI. But he says down months are often followed by renewed increases. Yeah, I kind of knew he was going to say that. But I tell you what, look at TQQQ go! Woohoo! But you know, I'm still. I can start to nibble. I want to see VIX respond. You know, it's never gonna go straight up, guys. It's just not like it is now. It looks very tempting to jump in. You got to see the back test. You got to see VIX's response, because this, like last time, on what was it, the second 11/2 when JPowell took the mic at 2:30. This is what happened last time. It surged up. That's when I thought the markets were pumping. Now, having said that, the difference last time though is I've been watching the MACD as I mentioned earlier in this morning's stock outlook. I said watch the hourly MACD. I've been watching it all day. Look at that. It's been steadily going up, and now it's really going up. But it's been steadily staying up, right? Maybe kind of flattening out here and there, but overall the trajectory was up. So, yeah. This is different than on 11/2. Remember I showed you in last night's video on 11/2, oh no, the hourly MACD was going down even before the 2 p.m. rate hike. Even before the 2 p.m. rate hike announcement of 75 basis points that resulted in a huge spike upward in the markets, but only to come crashing all the way down again by the end of the day. So this is different. This was going up. See what I mean? Let's see. Wage growth. I'm reading the screen again. Wage growth remains above level consistent with. Okay, right. Yeah, we gotta wait for the back test, guys. Don't bite down just yet. See, now we may be getting into a back test phase now. We just might be doing that. But again, I want to emphasize the big difference this time though is the hourly MACD has been going up. That's what I said to watch out for this morning. Watch the MACD all day leading up to Powell's speech. So this is a big difference. And so far, I want to say that so far we're looking good. See, so far we're looking good in terms of consistency. For example, here's the 5-minute. See the MACD, higher low, boom. Hourly, going up, boom. 30-minute right here, kind of, right around the zero line, but then now boom. But let's just see if it holds, guys. Let's see. See, okay, so reason why I said we got to wait for the back test. I want to see this RSI. How far does the RSI come down? Right here. That's what I'm looking for. How far does it come down? It's going to come down. You can't sustain this forever. It's going to come down. Here we go. VIX is starting to respond now. We need to see if the RSI, this is the 5-minute chart, comes down and makes a higher low from this point. That's what we're looking for. Last time on 11/2 when JPowell took the mic, yeah, it's the same formation. Boom, huge move up, RSI, but the RSI came down and it just kept on going, made a lower low compared to this point right here. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Here we go. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit so this is not so scrunched up. Okay, yeah, see, VIX is starting to respond now. We gotta wait. We gotta see. See that? So you see here is the beginning of the back test. So now you're starting to see it wick right here. Okay. Beginning of the back test, it's wicking. Okay. Yes. I mean, all you could say is like, okay, well now you have the surge. Now you gotta wait for the back test. So you got to halftime. Now it's the second half. All right, if you're playing football or basketball or whatever sport, you got the first half done. Now we're gonna wait for the second half. I will say with 100% certainty, if the back test can clear on the 5-minute chart over the EMA 50 line right here, the red line, boom, go long. We're going along. The rally, let it go, let it rip. It's gonna rip. But the second half is just now starting. Okay, I cannot answer that question. We gotta let the players play it out, right? VIX versus the markets. We gotta let it play out. So, Powell, I'm reading the screen again. It makes sense to moderate pace of rate increases. Okay. I mean, I kind of saw that coming. Well, we all kind of just like, man, big 375 rate hikes in a row, and now another 50 in December, and another one, a 25 in February. Like, jeez. Rates have to rise to a sufficiently restrictive level. Okay, he's always been saying that, though. He's always been saying that. Yeah. Fed likely to hold policy at a restrictive rate for some time. Okay, we generally knew that. Holding it at a restrictive rate for some time. Generally, what the market is more worried about is, are you going to go up? But now he just answered that question right now. I'm reading it from the screen. We are likely to hold. So we're not going to go up anymore. So, because the market has basically already priced in, like, I'd have to go back and look. It's been a while. The futures market priced in over, we were close to 5% already. So, any language of a hold, which he just confirmed on the TV just now, is, well, it depends on how you want to define it. To some will say, I'm going to say it like that, some will say that is a pivot. It's a pivot. because we're so desperate now for the Fed to let up. We've like changed the definition of what a pivot is 100 times this year in 2022, right? So some will say it's a pivot. At this point, we're like, oh, thank you. You know, anything. Only tentative signs of moderation in labor. Correct. Wage growth so far. Anticipating owing. Ooh, hold on a second. Anticipate ongoing rate increases. Ongoing, which means the terminal rate could be higher. Let's see what the markets say to that. Hold on. Let's see what the markets see. Here we go. Here's the back test. Ooh boy. Come on. Come on, markets. Hang in there. You know, honestly, I don't know where this red line is for. I'm gonna get rid of it because it's from a previous day. Well, let me just move it down here so it doesn't mean anything, this red line. Oh, look at that, guys. It's... We will stay the course until the job is done. Okay, you've always been saying that. I still say, I mean, so far, I like this. I like this wick. I mean, it's just buying pressure. You gotta wait, though. Basically, we need to wait until it can successfully... Here, let me let me draw something out here. Hold on a second. I like that wick, though. I like that wick. Let me do this, and then, oops, that's okay. Wow, VIX is... Oh, I like that wick, guys. Look at that. I like the wick. I like it. See, we weren't getting this last time on 11/2 when Powell started speaking. Okay, I'm going to draw something out here. Well, and you could see it real time. So, I know some of you, this may be... hold on. Let me go... I just like blue, and then let me go skinnier. We need to see it bounce off here, bounce off the red line, and to be completely conservative, we need to see it do that. Buy on this phase. We need to see more green candles after the red ones are done. We need to see buy on this phase. But look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. So basically, like what it's doing right now, the arrow might actually be this, which in that case, like this. In that case, that's really strong. But I would still say, just be conservative. Wait. It seems like it's going to go up, but wait. Wait for another... See, okay, so these are 5-minute candles. See? It turns green. It's turning red again. But just wait. Wait like 5, 10 minutes. Wait for more candles to declare themselves. I mean, 2 candles is not enough, right? You need just wait. Because honestly, if this holds serve, like right here, if this is going to hold serve, you know, like this, then, oh yeah, we're in for a multi-day rally. Okay? We're in for a multi-day rally. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Here, hold on. Let me, so you guys can see the VIX. What the heck the VIX is doing. Look at over here. Yeah. Wow! See? That's what I'm saying. I mean, so far so good, guys. Very good. I mean, if you wanted to be aggressive, you can go ahead and start getting some calls. But if you want to be a little bit more conservative, I would wait. Honestly. I would wait. I wouldn't tinker. Because, like I said, what's another, to put it in perspective, what's another 5, 10, 15 minutes of waiting when you're talking about a multi-day rally, right? See, that's where I'm coming from. So, yeah, when you're talking about a multi-day rally, yeah, yes. By the way, that's my calls right now. I'm up 28%. But I got that from yesterday, though. Remember when I uh, incorrectly called the rally? I said, yeah, we're gonna rally today because VIX looks weak, but VIX was weak, but neither one of them the rally didn't happen. It happened today. It happened today. So I was just a day early. It's okay. That's all right. I'd rather, in the end, I care more that the information or my comments are accurate as far as true or false, and not whether I'm right or wrong. I don't care about that. I'm more concerned about accuracy, true versus false, more so than right or wrong. Okay? So, this is awesome. So far, so good, guys. That's what I'm saying. See? But I want to get out of it. We need to get out of this red candle phase, and we need to start getting back into the green candle phase. Okay? That is the key. That is confirmation. It's on. Okay? That is confirmation. It is on. Speaking of which, I'm going to go ahead and... Here we go. Come on. Once I start seeing that next green candle. See? Okay. Here's another... this whole time, we've been right in this range, right? You see what I mean? We've been right in this range. So, you could be anxious to pull the trigger, get calls, like, up here, but you're still in the range. How many 5, 10, 15 minutes later? See what I mean? You're still in the range. So, you haven't lost anything. So, it's like I said, oh, man. I see if I can try to find that screen. I took a screenshot. Oh, it might take me a minute to find it, though. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, it's been a while. Ooh, it might take 11.2, right? 11.2, 11.2, 11.2. 11.2. Hold on. Let me trading day 11.2 trading day. Was this the VIX? Was this TQQQ? I'm just browsing. 11.3. I like what I see, guys. I like it. Very, very nice. Very nice. See? This is awesome, guys. See, this is awesome. Okay, so here, now that I've kind of shown that, I can minimize that for a minute. Oh, I like it. I like it. This, if the back test is this high above the EMA 50 on the 5 minutes, that's power. Okay? That's power. That's what I'm saying. I've been saying the last, especially yesterday when I erroneously predicted we were going to rally. I'm like, I see some strength here, guys. This looks bullish to me. This doesn't look bearish. And lo and behold, here we go. That's what I'm saying. I was like, man, we're going to rally. I was a day early. That's okay. I'd rather be early than flat out misreading the situation, right? I'd rather be early. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing of beauty. Look at that. Look at the 65 minute now. 65 is now creating a new candle. Oh, the VIX. Let me pop over to the 30 minute. Or let's just go to the 65. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Remember that huge gap up we talked about a couple days ago? Oh yes. See, it's coming back down to fill the gap. It's coming back down to fill the gap. And check this out here. Let me see this. Watch this. Okay. Oh no, this is 195. Actually, I need here. Let's go 240. Is this it? Yes. Remember a couple days ago I called red, green. It showed it. Red, green. And it's going down now. Right there. Red, green. It's going down. This is fantastic, guys. I am glad. Let's go back to 195. Yeah, it's filling the gap. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get some calls now. Now we have two. See that? Red, green. Oh yeah, it's on. Hold on a second. Hold on. Buy to open. Let's get like. How many do you want? Change. Hold on a second. 28. Ooh, 25. Okay, go. Oh, yes. Yeah, I'm in now. I got more. You see? That's it. See what's going on now? Now it's really surging up. And let's go back down to the VIX. Now let's switch. Let's do that. Yes. This is fantastic. I wish I would have been able to get approved that YouTube live stream, but it won't be approved until 8 p.m. ish tonight. Yeah, apparently I'm learning that channels that want to live stream, you have to apply for it, and it takes 24 hours to get it approved to live stream. You can't just do it. So, wow, look at that. Oh, you guys, it's on like Donkey Kong. Get ready. I'm going to send out a tweet. Hold on. Oh, this is fantastic. I'm typing something out on Twitter right now. Let me, hold on a minute. I'm going to take a screenshot of this too. Oh, yes. Fantastic. Woo! Up arrow you go, buddy. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, wrong color. Fentanyl, go. Wow. This is it. See, everybody was getting bearish. Yesterday, I even showed you. Hold on. Even the. Here we go. This is yesterday. S&P 500, Nasdaq closed for a third day as investors look for Fed Chair Powell's speech. That was yesterday, right? It's just down, right? Down and down and down. But yet, despite all that, the MACD was like, no, you better hold your horses, fellas. Hold your horses, guys. The MACD's not going down. That's why I was like, I see something going on here. Something's going on here. Something's going on here. Hold on, see. That's why I was like, here, I'm going to show y'all let me show you the 1 hour chart. Hold on, let me refresh my screen. Get that out of the way. Show this to you. Yeah, so the 1 hour. See? Okay, so this was yesterday. This was yesterday when is this towards the end of the day? Yeah, this is towards the end of the day. This is yesterday when I erroneously called the rally. I think, it still looks, I think we're gonna rally. Okay, so but this has been down for how many days, right? 1, 2. Okay, so this is like last Friday. I'm sorry. Right. Okay. Yeah, down. But it's been holding the line right here. And the MACD was making higher lows. Right here. MACD was making higher lows even as of yesterday. Higher lows. And I called that out in yesterday's video. And overnight, see that? And I even said in yesterday's video, I said, you know, don't be surprised if we kind of start floating. We might float up. We might float. That's exactly what happened on 11 right here. Float right here. Check it out. 11:10. 11:10. Float. Boom. Right? What's happening? Float. Boom. But that's also because the MACD was going up, just like on 11:10. It's going up. Boom. See? Look at that. Man, you can't make that stuff up. You can't make it up. So a lot of people, I watch other YouTube channels. They're like, well, it's looks like the bulls or the bears are coming back in. We're gonna crash. Powell's gonna dump the markets tomorrow. And I 100% agree, or understand, not agree. I understand why you say that, because that's what he's been doing, right? Totally. That's what he did last time on 11.2. He came down there and mic dropped everyone on 11.2. Remember that? Let's just go to 11.2. Let's just go to, here we go. We're almost there. Right here. Oops, let me zoom out. Right here. 11.2. He mic dropped everyone. So it hasn't even been a month because we're still in November. So, wow. Yeah, he mic dropped everyone on that day. So I understand why people are going to say, "Oh man, we're going to crash tomorrow." when and people were saying that on all the stocks channels on YouTube. I was reading it. I was like, okay, that's fine. I don't disagree with you because of what he said last time. Right here, right here. Let me get rid of this. Right here. He said that last time. But the pattern is repeating itself again. Here and here. Higher, lows, close to zero, boom. You see what I mean? And so this morning when I talked about the the ADP labor report, actually shows it getting worse. That's actually good for the markets. That's what the markets want to see. So again, once again, as I even talked about last night's video, the pattern repeats. The MACD tells you what the markets want to do, and they did it again. See that? This is fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Let's see what's up now. Oh, it's getting worse. It's getting worse for VIX. Look at that. It's just going straight up. All this pent up. That's what I'm saying. That, you know, last couple of days I'm like, man, there's a big move coming, guys. There's a big move coming, and it doesn't look bearish. It does not look bearish. Okay? It does not look bearish. I was like, I'm gonna. So I don't mind being incorrect yesterday when I say, yeah, we're gonna rally. I don't mind being incorrect. That's okay. That's all right. Because I was just a day early. I was just a day early. So that's better than just being completely wrong. And we just went the other direction. We went south instead of north. Okay. I don't mind being wrong. I mean, well, I do mind being wrong, but I don't mind being early. Okay. So there you have it. I might just go ahead and release this video. Well, I'll just play it along with tonight's video. Just do that. Let's just do that. So then you can get my real-time reactions to what was happening, and not just after the fact, me drawing arrows and stuff. Oh, see, look, you just look for this and that and this and that. You know, live session is always better, but second best is pre-recorded and then just show it later, right? So that is all that I've got. I mean, 5 minutes. Let's skip over to the 30-minute. Hold on. Very, 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 very good, guys. I am glad. Yeah, see, I knew it. That gap up. We are backfilling that huge gap, and I think it's going to go lower. Here's that 20. Here's the magic 20 that everyone's talking about. I think we're going lower. I think a monster rally is starting now. Whether you bears out there, I understand. Whether you bears out there like it or not, it's coming. And it's coming. So you might as well just go ahead and get on the train too, because, you know. Wow. So here's the next steps. The next steps are, I'll just keep monitoring the MACD. Well, you know I always will, until otherwise indicated. Until I start to see like bearish divergences, you know, or something's like, oh, this is not right, or something's about to peter out. Something's petering out. That's what I'll do. I'll just keep monitoring and give you daily updates. But yeah, let's see. So earlier I was up 28%. Now I'm up 56%. See that? So, very good. Okay. I think that's the extent of it. This is day one, guys. Day one of massive bull run. What I cannot tell you is how far are we going to go. We're going to go 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month? I don't know. But I'll be able to give you an idea on the on the MACD, on the daily updates. Okay? So, yeah. This is fantastic. All right. Well, maybe I should have my live streaming approved by December 14th when the Fed Chair Powell speaks next time. But you know what? He's basically stealing his own thunder now, though. I mean, he's speaking. They're doing a question and answer at the Brookings Institution right now, as I've been speaking at this whole 15-20 minutes. And so what's he going to say in a couple weeks after the FOMC rate hike decision that he's not going to say now, right? So I think this puts less weight on the FOMC December 14th rate hike decision and press conference. Well, no, let me just say that unless the markets go too far, too fast, too high, too fast, then he might say something. Say, you guys need to cool your jets. I don't know. So, okay. So, there you have it, guys. Yep, Go long. Go long. It is on. It's on. So, yeah, I'm going to buy some calls. I'm going to hold it over. I think by tomorrow it's going to be over 100%. I'm not going to sell it today. So, this is just beginning. That's why. Huge beginning. Look at that. As I've been talking, look at that. Look at that. It's just, it's not even bothering back testing right now. I mean, it's got to at some point. It has to. But man, look at the VIX. Here, let's see. I kind of took my eye off the VIX here. Hold on. Let's go 5 minutes. Here we go. Show this a little bit. I know it's kind of grainy. Let me pop over to the 30-minute. 2 days. 30, 50. Let's go 15 minutes. Yeah. VIX is really struggling right now because I see those big wicks right here. That's selling. Okay. Oh, here we go. It's almost closed the gap. Almost. Here's the gap at the bottom. It starts right here. You know what I might do though is sell off some, go ahead and take some profits, and then just buy back in. I might just do that, because what I want to see is how far down. Wait, what time is it? 2:12 Eastern time. Yeah, we still got a couple hours. Hour and 45 minutes. VIX is going to respond sooner or later. But it's not going to be that VIX turns around and goes back up to 40. It's not that kind of response. I mean, if you want to just go ahead and take your profits, I mean, I'm up over 50% now. Just go ahead and take it. 50% is 50%. Who cares? And then just buy back in, right? Just buy back in and start and reset the clock. Reset the earnings clock, the profit clock. Yeah. Yep. Okay, well, that is all I've got for you guys today. Well, no, I'll do a wrap up when market closes. I just wanted to cover the JPowell session, his speech and Q&A afterwards. Okay, so that is all I've got for you guys for now. We'll talk to you again soon. Congratulations, you bulls.